Good evening, guys. Good evening, guys. Unfortunately, I couldn't have time to upload today, but this is the new system that I'm going to be using of tracking the numbers. As you can see how the numbers go there, the colors, and there's a red color, there's a blue color, there's all the colors of UK49 are there. So if you can check this pie chart, you'll see that there's a lot of movement happening there. Okay, but we cannot go into the details of this. I'm just going to show you what it is, and then you guys, this code, it works both draws, lunch and tea time. There's nothing like we do one code to do. No, we're not gonna do that. So on the explanation of the pie chart, as you can see how the movement of the colors is, those are the numbers for UK49 and their movement. That is why they are hot and cold numbers. So you guys, as I'm saying to you, there's so many books that I've written regarding these things. So I recommend you to get the first book, second book, and maybe the third book. But if you have an advanced punter, you can just hit straight the latest one. It's okay. Okay, cool. This is how the numbers are being tracked here. As you can see, this code is like this. It's 2143, which is 1103. Already now, if you check, Helen will did the 21 and the 43 and the what and the 10 from that number there, and the 10, and then if you check again, the 43 is always a 34. I always say this, guys, to you, that 33 and 43, they go together. Okay, cool. And then now if you see a number like this, for example, yesterday I think there was 3, there was 3, yes, there was 23. Now the 43 has dropped. So the number that is going to come tonight is 13. You see this 13 or 31, because now I'm going to use the series of the numbers to track this number. I know sometimes they do repeat, but this is actually a sure number. Why? Because of, you can see there's a 13 there, there's a 13 there. And then when you are done, this is how you're going to break this code. I'll divide it into 2. This code on the right hand side, that's what Daniel normally does. Watch very carefully, guys, because there's a 0 inside. So let's just say A, and then we call this one B. Okay, so now what we're going to do, as you can see there, there's what, there's an 11, there's a 3, there's a 13. Already a 30 has come, it dropped as a bonus. If you can check this code, it gave us almost 4 numbers correct. So even on tea time, this code is going to give us 4 numbers correct. I hope I'm clear there, guys. I'm not going to go back and try to explain. Okay, so we're going to start with the B. I'll go back to A. So when I'm starting with the B, I'm going to say 11, I'm going to say 1 plus 1. It will give me a 2. So if a 2 drops, it means this 0 will come here and give us a what? A 20 or a 2. There is a high possibility. Actually, the 20 is going to drop. And then now, if you go again and say, let's say we're going to add up everything there that we see. Let me show you something. If we add up everything that you see there, when I say 1 plus 1, we get a 2. We say 2 plus 3, I mean this 3, guys, it's going to give us a 5. So a 5 is giving us a very, very nice shot that the 15 is supposed to drop tonight. Do you see that? I'm just using one chord now. I haven't went to the other side of the chord. So and 11, there's a high possibility of this number 11 to drop. I'm still using the chord B, 11. So Daniel, what he normally does, if he sees that we are fighting him, he will say times 2, and then that's how we're gonna get a what? A 22. So as you can see, I think in this system, the system that I've upgraded, it will be easy for you guys to pick up the bankers, the numbers and stuff, because our bonus came from code B, which means our bonus for tea time will come from code A. Okay, cool. So now let us go to code A, which is this one, 2143. So 2143, it gives us this. There is a 32 here. There is a 14 or 41, I can say 14 or 41 there. And then there's also a 2443. Sorry, 24 or 42. 24 or 42. If you check properly again, this 43, 34 can either repeat. 34, 43. This number, I always say, guys, use this number every day when you're playing your numbers. And then if he's going to split, I don't know if he is going to split, you will make it, because the cycle is too small for them today, trust me. And then maybe the bonus can be 27. Let me see if I can say bonus 27. I'm still checking here. Okay, let's not worry about the bonus for now, because if we go deeper with the bonus, we're gonna have a problem. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do this, guys. I'm splitting the numbers. Hey, by the way, remember this guy is the spin or split. Let us just spin them first. You say 12, you say 34 there, which is already 1, 2, 3, 4. And then at the back there, an 11. When you spin an 11, obviously an 11, it should be an 11 or 22. That's how I normally spin that number. Already a 30 has dropped, so we won't worry about the 30. Instead, the 13. So what I'm going to do, let me give you guys a set of the bankers that you guys can use on tea time. 21 has already dropped. You know, this code gave me all the numbers that Helen hit them. So now we're gonna come with the 15 now. We are fighting 15. We say 34, 43 there. 43. We come again, we say 40, 14, 41. He's going to hit the 4. I think this guy, what he's going to do, is going to say 4, 13. He won't have a chance to run away. Maybe, okay. And then I'm going to say 32 there. Just watch out what's going to happen on tea time. If he splits and say 2, 3. Okay, so the 32, I'm going to say 2 and 3. I don't know how he's going to run away. Then the 11, 22. These numbers are not so much. And then the 15, the 22 again. So 220 as well, he has to be there. Because if you say 1 plus 1, you get a 2, which gives you 32 or 20 with the 0 there. Do you see that, team? I hope you guys are catching up. I'm going to be posting like this every day now. It will be easy for me to also check these numbers. Because if I check this family, the red family, I didn't put my chart, but the pie chart is already done well. As you can see, this red line there, it shows the hottest numbers. The blue line shows what? The coldest numbers. So the cold numbers are always cold, you understand? When we say cold number, we mean a number that has not played yet. You understand? So guys, I forgot something again from this code. You see this last code, which is 130. If I somerset it will give me a 29 also and a 26. So I'm also wondering if maybe our bonus can be 29 and then 13 inside 29 bonus. I'm not sure of there. I'm not sure. So 13, 31, and then our bonus maybe should be 29 or 27. So this is how it's gonna go. Another number that I've seen now is 33, because it is short on that series. 33, as you can see on the code there, we see the 33. So which means 33, because 43 dropped. 33, 13. One of these numbers he must hit. I don't know how he's going to put them, but this is what we have for tea time. So yeah guys, this is what it is. The rest we shall discuss after on the next video. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, purchase the books as well, and join the group.